Welcome to part 13 of the full no bullshit YouTube ads course. And this time we're talking about creating and testing the YouTube ads. And now comes the fun part. The hard part is over. The hard part was improving the funnel, improving the product, improving the copywriting, market research, customer research, product research. All of that was the hard part. And almost everyone else skips these hard steps. And for us, creating the ads should now be the easy and fun part because we have done the fundamentals. We have done the boring work, the hard work. And now we can create the ads, and this should work really well and really smoothly. And the process for creating, managing, and testing the ads goes like this. We create multiple ads, not one ad, not two ads. We create multiple ads. We want to test these. And then we make them active. So we make them run. We actually run these ads we want to test. And then after some time, we will look at the results. Some of these ads will be great. They will have great KPIs, great key performance indicators. They will be profitable ads. And some of the ads will be bad. These are the red ones. The red ones are the ads with bad KPIs, the ads that are not profitable. And then we're simply going to pause the ads that are not profitable. We're going to pause the red ads and we are going to keep the green ads running. So the green ads, the profitable ads stay active and the unprofitable ads get paused. And then we can just ignore the unprofitable ones and just focus on scaling the profitable ones. And scaling simply means increasing the budget over time. And then we basically repeat the process. So now we have 3 winning ads. We have 3, but we basically want more. So we are going to test ads again. We're going to test a few ads and we're going to make them active so they actually run. Then we are going to look at the results after a few days. A few of them are bad ads, like red ads that are not profitable, and a few of them are green ads that are profitable. And then we're simply going to pause the unprofitable ones and just ignore them. And now instead of 3 winning ads, we now have 6 winning ads that we can scale and over time increase the budget. And we'll just keep repeating this process because we will, after some time, we will lose some winning ads because right now we would have 6 winning ads, but maybe in 2 weeks, one of these winning ads will just go away. It just turns unprofitable. And then we need new winning ads. So we always keep testing new ads to get new winners. And the most important step is to test lots of new ads, like really a lot of them. My first success with YouTube ads came when I started to test 10 new ads per week. I didn't find any profitable YouTube ads until I started to test 10. Yes, 10 new ads per week. And I've heard Dean Graziosi, that's the person on the picture in the middle, Dean Graziosi tested 123 new ads and only 12 of them were winners. So even absolute experts like Dean Graziosi, the dude in the middle in the picture, even extreme experts need to test 123 new ads to find 12 winners. So as you can see, you have to test a lot of new ads and we have to create lots of ads fast. Like we can't take 3 days to create one ad because then you can't test 10 new ads per week. If you want to test 10 new ads per week, you have to create ads really fast and you have to test these ads fast in order to find out what ads are winning fast. Like we want to find winners fast. And then we have to create and test the ads fast. And the easiest way ever to create winning YouTube ads fast is to use whiteads.com. And now I'm going to show you how it works. To get started, simply go to whiteads.com, click on try for free, and then you can sign up for a free trial, no credit card required. It takes literally 10 seconds. And once we're in the dashboard, we can search for a competitor, our niche or a relevant keyword. In this case, I'm going to search for Alex Becker because he also has a software company. And in this example, I want to generate an ad for my software company as well. Then I'm going to filter for ad spend descending to see his most successful YouTube ad first. That's his highest converting YouTube ad. He has tested this ad with more than $90,000 of ad spend. So this ad is obviously working. If this ad wasn't working, he wouldn't have put so much money behind it. So let's click on it. Now we see all the details. We see his channel, the landing page URL he sent the traffic to, his video, his thumbnail URL. We see a word for word transcript. But the most important part is down here, generate own script. We'll click on it, enter our own landing page URL we want to send our traffic to. Then we pick the language English and then generate our own proven YouTube ad script. And it's as easy as that. Now we have our own winning YouTube ad script based on the proven framework from the Alex Becker ad. that was tested with more than $90,000 of YouTube ad spend. So we can be pretty sure that our ad is going to work as well because it's based on his proven framework and it's perfectly matching with our landing page's content. And now we can edit it a little bit. Let's say we don't want 20%, let's put it like 40%, and then we can save it, we can copy it, send it to a promotional team, let somebody record it, and then we can test and run these ads in no time. This took us literally like 30 seconds to 1.5 minutes max. This is the easiest way ever to get highly profitable YouTube ads. And if you're running YouTube ads and haven't tried ytads.com already, you're honestly missing out. And if you want to try the YT software out yourself, you can simply visit our website, ytads.com, and sign up for the free trial. I'm sure you will love it. And we also created this free swipe file. It's called the 130 best YouTube ads from 35 niches, plus 9 winning offers and 3 winning funnels. And if you want a swipe file to get inspiration for your own ads, because we've talked about it, you have to create lots of new ads to test them to find winners. And maybe you need some inspiration, like, how do great ads look like? How do great ads look like in my specific market? Then this swipe file will come in handy. And yeah, as you can see, it's simply what the name tells you. It's the 130 best YouTube ads from 35 niches, and then a few bonus winning offers and winning funnels. And if you want this swipe file to look at the different ads from your niche, then you can simply join our free YouTube ads community. It's called ytads.com. It's on the platform School, and you will find the link in the video description or in the pinned comment, I think. So if you want this free YouTube ad swipe file with the 130 best YouTube ads from 35 niches, join our community. And as you can see, the first post in the community is about the free swipe file and the link that you can click to access the swipe file. And now let's talk about how to film these ads. It's important that we will start with lower quality and faster production style because we want to test these ads as fast as possible. We want to get lots of ads out quickly to test them. And then we can't film one ad for 2 days. They have to be filmed fast. So we start with a lower and fast production style, lower quality and fast. And as soon as we see that an ad is a winner, then we can make a high quality variation of this ad. So if we have an ad and have seen, oh, the low quality version of this ad is a winner, then we can take this message from this low quality ad and film the exact same ad in high quality and see if it performs better. But most of the time, the high quality one actually doesn't really outperform the low quality one. So film these ads really fast. And filming the ads selfie style with an iPhone is most of the time okay. Like in most markets, it's completely okay to film the ads just simply with an iPhone selfie style because the camera is totally fine. But make sure the lighting and the sound is good. Make sure they hear you great and you don't have shadows in your face. And for the sound, oftentimes AirPods work great. If you have AirPods in your ears, the microphone is honestly okay. And just simply make sure the light is okay. So have maybe a softbox in front of you if your room is dark, or open the window or go outside, and then you should have enough light so that the visuals look okay. And make sure that your ads look like your target audience expects them to look like. If you're having an extreme B2C offer, like to consumers, then more personal, more informal, more fun, more happy, with more jokes is probably how they expect advertisements to look like. But if you're selling completely hardcore B2B to extreme entrepreneurs, then they're probably expecting you to wear a suit. And then they're probably expecting you to have a Rolex. And then they're probably expecting you to stand in your office. So make sure your ads visually look like your target audience expects them to look like, so that it matches. There can't be a mismatch. If you sell hardcore B2B to extreme entrepreneurs, you can't be there with flip-flops and a t-shirt, because this would be a mismatch. They don't listen to people in flip-flops and t-shirts, because they are hardcore entrepreneurs that want to listen and learn from other hardcore entrepreneurs, not people that stand there in flip-flops and Bermuda shorts. So make sure your ads match with the expectation of your target audience. And editing makes the ad more engaging. So nothing is worse than an extremely boring ad. So a bit of editing can spice things up. So captions are great. Sound effects are great. Images are great. If you're talking about something, then showing the complementary image, what you're talking about on the screen with a sound effect. So the image comes and makes a plop. This is just a little bit more engaging. And maybe insert some B-roll of stuff you're talking about. But you don't have to go overboard with editing. No editing is also fine. So if you don't edit anything at all, that's also fine. But a little bit of editing helps usually. So captions, sound effects, images of what you're talking about in B-roll. And if you can edit yourself, this should be fairly quick. But if not, you can go to fiverr.com and maybe hire some editor for like $10. And then let's talk about your Google Ad account. If you've never run YouTube or Google Ads in general, then you would have to set up this Google Ad account. But if you've run Google or YouTube ads in the past, then you probably already have an Google Ad account. And also set up your tracking correctly. Sadly, I can't explain everything here, otherwise this video would be way too long. But if you Google or if you watch on YouTube a few videos, you will see there are a lot of tutorials that teach you how to set up the Google Ads tracking and how to set up a Google Ad account. So there are plenty of tutorials that teach you how to do it. So if you already have a Google Ad account and already set up your tracking correctly, that's great. And if you don't, just after you have finished this full entire YouTube Ads course, like search up a tutorial that teaches you how to set up a Google Ad account and set up the tracking correctly inside your funnel.